How to unlock iPhone in VioceOver mode. Disable VioceOver.
Face ID 2 1
To input your passcode, select the number, then double tap to confirm.
4 GHI 7 PQRS 2 a beat 5 J8 settings
Use 3 fingers on the screen to scroll. Go to Settings by first tapping the app's icon to select it, then double tapping to open it. Select the accessibility. By first tap to select, then double tap to open. Use 3 fingers on the screen to scroll to accessibility. Select the VoiceOver.
VoiceOver speaks items on the screen.
Then turn VoiceOver off.
VoiceOver switch button on. VoiceOver off.
When turned off, the switch will be gray. 2 ways to turn off VoiceOver on iPhone. You can use Siri to turn off VoiceOver and say, "Turn off VoiceOver." You can turn VoiceOver on and off by using triple-click one of the following: the side button on an iPhone with Face ID, the home button on other iPhone models.
Settings VoiceOver switch button. VoiceOver switch button on. VoiceOver off.